Hi everyone, and welcome to one of my 4 summer staycation hair tutorials. As you know, it's COVID. We've either cancelled our holidays abroad or we've resigned ourselves to the fact that we're staying at home and travelling within our own countries. So what I've done is created 4 different hairstyles that are really quick and easy for you to do and make you feel like you're still on holiday, and throw on that sort of fake tan and away you go. Don't forget, if you love this video, go and subscribe to my channel to see more. Curly hair can get hot and annoying in the summer, so here's a quick, easy way to tame and adorn it. Part your hair down the centre and use the curl products of your choice. Here I'm using the range by Living Proof for curly hair. Starting at the front of the forehead on one side, create a Dutch braid on a diagonal towards just below the crown. Repeat the same thing on the other side and secure each braid with a small hairband. Leave your hair at the back to hang loose. Next, dry your hair using a diffuser until your hair is completely dry. Now join the 2 braids together at the back below your crown, however you choose, either by braiding them to each other or just tying them in a ponytail. Next, take some coloured fabric. Here I'm using some scarves from H&M and make a headband shape. Place the fabric onto your forehead and tie around your head, joining at the 2 braids. I've added another piece of fabric to the braids just to decorate it more. Have fun with this look by tying different coloured fabrics to match or contrast with your outfit. And there you have it, a great way to tame your curls. Gorgeous. Thanks for watching, and remember to press that little subscribe button if you want to see more of my gorgeous hair tutorials.